So I'm super excited. I got my first BoxyCharm box and I decided to do unboxing. So here we go. So I got the December Deluxe. It came in this super nice box, BoxyCharm. And inside I have the editor palette. So let's check this out. See what's in here. Ooh, very pretty. Maybe we can open it. It's like super tight. There we go. So these are very pretty. Nothing that I am too overly excited about. But some of these nudes in here will definitely look nice on some, but I'm not too crazy about it. But it is definitely pretty. Nice packaging. It's kind of got some weight to it. I like things with a little weight to it. I also got another palette, this HIPDOT palette. And let's see what this one has in it. Ooh. Alrighty. Ooh, I love these. So if anybody knows me, I am a green goddess, love goddess. This right here is going to be beautiful. I probably will do a nice makeup tutorial with some of these in this blue. Looks amazing. So those look great. So let's see what else came in my box. Looks like I have some, what is this? Eye mask. Let's see if I can get it in there. Very nice. Can always use a good eye cream. And looks like, let me get this out of the way. I got another eye palette, it looks like, from ICONICGLITZ. It looks super cool. And it has some really pretty bronzers, some blushes in it. I definitely may use this in my kit. But those are some really pretty colors. Of course, that one is gorgeous to me. I also have some really nice lashes. I am a lash fanatic. Let's see if I can get that to zoom in there. These are pretty. They don't look too thick. So they probably will be really easy to apply and look really nice. I also got some Hot Mess ROCKINS cosmetics. And it looks like they're glitter eye pens. Ooh. Okay, love it. Love, love, love. Can't go wrong with the green glitter. Then I have here a blue. Definitely really pretty. It will go really nice with that other palette. And this here is a black glitter. Can't go wrong with a nice smoky eye. So these are super nice. I'll let you guys know how they do, how they hold up. Let's see what is in this. Comes in a very nice case, and it is some brushes. Everyone always asks, how does my makeup look so good? It's all in the tools you use. It doesn't always matter what products. You don't need anything high-end. If you're using awesome brushes, which these feel very soft, so I'll definitely add these in and try them out and see how they hold up. So those look very nice. And my favorite of all times, Good Jeans by Sunday Riley. It is very expensive in stores. You can get it at Sephora, but it does wonders with the skin. So I wear this every night as a treatment. Before bed, I wear it under my moisturizer. So I put this on first, and then I use the Overnight Moisturizer by Fenty. So, and last but not least, I got a teeth whitening kit. I just actually left the dentist and got my teeth cleaned. So this might be a good time to start using this. It comes with this nice little pen with this light. So I definitely will be trying this out. And I'll let you guys know how it goes. So that's everything that came in my BoxyCharm box from December. I did get the Luxe box. It was a little pricey, but you only get it every 3 months. I will let you guys know how everything works out.